to stop old emotions from running today. Here's the quiet problem many people live with. They move through today while emotionally stuck in yesterday. Nothing dramatic happens, yet the same feelings keep showing up. And this video shows you how to stop carrying yesterday into today. You will learn to respond to today instead of reacting from the past. So let's begin gently. Have you ever noticed how a song from years ago can instantly pull you back into the old mood? The room stays the same, but something shifts inside you. And that is how emotions work. They travel faster than logic. And when they repeat often enough, they stop feeling temporary and start feeling normal. And this is the real issue. Emotions teach us, but they can also trap us. When resentment, grief, shame, guilt, or fear repeat again and again, your body learns them like a familiar tune or familiar song. You wake up already humming it, scanning the day for proof that the feeling still belongs. You wake up with it already playing, and the day quietly follows that tune, that song, that you don't even like it. Emotions from the past start showing up in today's situation. The past quietly walks into present through emotion. A small comment feels really heavy. A simple delay feels really personal. And the past quietly sneaks into the present and pretend it belongs there. The solution is not to push emotions away. It is not to even deny them or cover them up. The solution is to notice when an emotion belongs to yesterday, not today. And here's a simple way to create that awareness. So when a strong negative feeling shows up, pause and ask yourself one calm question. Does this reaction match what is happening right now? Or does it feel like an old echo, the old song? Does this feeling belong to today, or does it come from the past? Is this reaction about the present moment or an old pattern showing up again? Does this match with what is going on right now, what's happening right now, or does it feel like something you have felt many times before? This question works like stepping back from painting. When you stand too close to the painting, all you see is color and noise. But when you step back, the picture becomes clear, and that pause creates space. And space gives you choice. Once that space appears, you have options. You can process the feeling instead of replaying it. You can write it down. You can talk about it. You can let the body release it through slow movement or breathe. Or you can choose not to feed that old story again. Not every emotion needs a full explanation. Some emotions only need to be acknowledged and then allowed to pass over. You can also introduce a new emotional reference point. Think of it like changing the lighting in a room. The furniture stays the same, but the feeling shifts. Maybe you pause and appreciate something small. Maybe you get curious instead of tense. Get fascinated instead of being stressed. Or maybe you just stay with something calm and present for a moment. Each time you do this, you weaken the grip of the emotional past. You teach your system that today does not have to replay yesterday. You begin training your body and mind to orient toward what is possible next instead of what hurt before. And before we move into action steps, let's summarize what we covered so far. When emotions repeat for a long time, they start to feel normal. They quietly shape how you react to them. They step into present and influence how you respond. You do not need to push them away. Do not resist. What you resist will persist. You just need to notice when they come from an older chapter or older song or older time of your life. The small noticing creates space, and in that space, you get to choose. That awareness creates space, and space gives you freedom. So let's turn this into practical steps you can use in real life. First, notice recurring emotions that show up before anything happens. Treat them as signals, not truths. The past does not equal the present or future. Simply noticing the pattern already reduces its power. Next, ask the grounding question. Does this feeling match the moment, or does it feel older than today? Let the question slow you down before the reaction takes over. Then choose one conscious response. Write, speak, breathe, or move. Do not replay the same inner story or the song that you don't like again and again. You are responding to the feeling, not feeding it. Then gently shift the emotional tone. A bit of gratitude, curiosity, fascination, or calm attention gives your body something new to respond to. Even a smaller change can soften the whole moment. And finally, repeat this gently. Each time you do, the emotional past loosens its grip. And progress comes from consistency, not from forcing anything. Every time you stop waking up inside old feeling, you meet the day as it is, not as it used to be. And slowly, steadily, you reclaim the present as a place where something new can begin. If you need any help in doing it, or if you have any questions, you can reach out to me. Share your feedback with me. If you benefit from this video, recording, or a lecture, please recommend it to someone who can benefit from it. Share it far and wide. This is Mayur Bardolia, a success coach from North Star Angel Coaching and Spiritual Solutions. If you wish to book a coaching session and a workshop or invite me as a speaker, reach out to me at contact@northstarangel.com. Have a nice day.